Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian pepper soup. Quick, comforting and full of flavor. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. So to begin, you want to wash and season your protein of choice. For this video I'm using goat meat, fresh turkey and turkey gizzard. Okay, so after washing them thoroughly, you want to season them with some Maggi seasoning, some pepper and onion. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt, okay, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm using 2 habanero peppers, so that's just 2 habanero peppers in this one. I'm going to add a little bit of crayfish, so I'm going to divide this onion into 2. I'm going to use just half of it to season the proteins. So at this point you just cover and transfer to the stove. Then step 2, you want to clean and blend your peppers. So what I have here is 4 habanero peppers. I have 3 red bell peppers, 4 Roman tomatoes and half onion. Okay, so I'm going to blend everything in the food processor and I'm going to set it aside. So that's how you want it, just like so. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and comforting recipes. So you're pretty much repeating the same process until you finish blending everything you have. Okay, so now you can pour everything in a bowl and set it aside. So after blending your peppers, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and check on your proteins and make sure everything is boiling, nothing is burning. Okay, you give it a good stir, add a little bit of water, cover it and let everything boil. So after boiling for some time, you want to go ahead and take out the fresh turkey and the gizzard, because those ones don't take long to get soft. Okay, so you take out the gizzard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this gizzard into bite-sized pieces. You don't have to do this, but I just prefer the gizzard in little bits. Okay, so I'm going to cut them to little bits and then I'm going to set them aside because I'm going to bring them back to the pot later. So there you go. I'm not cutting the fresh turkey, just the turkey gizzard. So now at this point the goat meat is soft. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the pepper mixture and I'm going to cover and let everything boil down. I'm going to add the remaining crayfish. I'm going to turn, cover and let everything boil. So guys, our pepper soup is coming along, so I'm going to go ahead and bring back the turkey gizzard and the fresh turkey into the pot, give it a gentle stir. Then I'm going to go in with my my already washed scent leaves. Okay, so you can use scent leaves or curry leaves, but for this video I'm using scent leaves. Okay, so at this point you just let this pepper soup boil for like 2 minutes at most and this soup is ready. Okay, so you can pair this pepper soup with white rice, macaroni, spaghetti, even fufu. So in this video I will be pairing this pepper soup with white rice and macaroni. So delicious, so comforting and super tasty. This pepper soup is perfect for a stressful day and the ultimate comfort food for a rainy day You know, you just have a bowl of pepper soup with a little bit of macaroni in it, and then you're gonna sit on your couch, watch some movies, and then you're gonna have a blast. So there you go, guys. Look at that goodness. So delicious, super tasty, so comforting. So there you go with the pepper soup and white rice. It just goes with anything. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a lovely weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.